How to buy mortgage token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is created under this tweet from the watcher.guru this account. So as you can see, just in the tweet, United States Director of Federal Housing Orders preparation for business to count cryptocurrency as an asset for a mortgage. So as you can see, this token it's created under this tweet. Now, as you can see this token, you can find it on the screener. Now, as you can see, this token created 1 day ago and increased by 6,000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to monitor that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select this Solana token. And after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it and now click on I understand. Now, as you can see here, you can type how much you want to buy like that. And this is how much you will be able to receive. Now, scroll down and you will be able to find here swap, click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a mortgage token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.